Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos too. So be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, so guys, you notice that in making my bay leaf tea, I am not boiling my bay leaf, but rather I'm going to steep it. And the reason why I'm doing that is because when you steep your tea, you retain more of the nutrients as opposed to if I boil my bay leaf.